Let's learn how to divide the number 900 by 3 using the long division method. We know that 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 3. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. As this is the number 0, so we will remove one 0. And we know that 3 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 0. Again in this case, we will bring down this number 0 here, and as in the previous case, we will remove this 0. And we know that 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here, and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 900 divided by 3 is equal to 300. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.